All right, today I got something really exciting. Today we're going to rotate the tires. It's up to 20,000 miles, so I'm gonna do it about every 10,000 miles. So one thing unique about the Teslas or Model 3 is that you do need these things right here to lift it up on a jack. So I actually got these on Amazon, pretty cheap. These are called Tesla pucks. So what it does is it actually fits into the little hole at each corner of the frame, and that way you can safely lift it up because the jack goes on that and stays stable with this right there. If you want to check out a do-it-yourself version of this, you can check out Brian at I1 Tesla. He's got a great video on how to make them, and out of just hockey pucks. So that's pretty cool. So you take the puck, find the spot at each corner, get it in there. And so the car is actually rigid enough. Just one side will lift up both. But we're gonna go ahead and get the other jack I have. Looks like the tread looks really good. See the wear indicators on actually all 4 treads look good. I do actually have a torque wrench. This is a budget special over from Harbor Freight. Super cheap, but it gets the job done. Model 3 calls for 129 foot-pounds of torque. So we got the tires rotated. Now we're gonna take it for a quick spin and then make sure the torques are all set right. So the only thing left to do is to put the aero covers back on and we're all set.